Hey there. Whew. Okay, so another night and just got home from a Kings game. I watched a basketball game with my husband, so it was a nice little date night. But continuing on with the after bedtime challenge, I was thinking of just sharing some kind of do this, not that tip today. So I grabbed a scrap sheet of paper and I was just playing around with the letter A. And I wanted to share something with you that I didn't really realize until a little bit later when I first started doing calligraphy. So what I want to point your eyes to is the importance of lifting that pen and being sure that you place that stroke in an area that makes your strokes breathe and just looks a little bit more elegant. So take a look at this A here, excuse me, and compare that to, say, this A. That stem's a little high, sorry, and this A. Okay, I'll put a little X. So you want to avoid this guy, you want to avoid this guy, you want to avoid this guy, and this guy. So the thing about those ones is look at how this stem really overlaps that oval. Do you see that? See this right here? Like if I were to take, okay, for some reason I don't have a pencil around. If I showed you the rest of this oval, look at where it would go. Do you see that? Like this oval here is really looking like this. So what's happening is you're overlapping this stem here too much with the oval. So let me draw a few examples here. So if I have an oval here, let's draw a few ovals. Okay, so if I finished drawing this oval, say I have my tip here and I came up and then I just pressed down from there. Look at that overlap. Do you see where the blue is in the middle of that orange? Now instead, when you bring your pen here, finishing that oval, lift your pen up and actually place it away from that oval on the side so that now, see how the stem aligns next to the oval? Then you sort of keep the, what I like to call the integrity of the oval. I got that phrase from my friend Nina. And that way each of these strokes sort of stands by themselves. So again, if you made this oval here, of course, sometimes you have to be careful. You might miss that connection completely, and I totally do this. You guys don't see because I don't post those ones. Okay, so try this sort of study. Like take one color and then take another color and just align that next stroke so that there is more space down here and up here and not so much this congested look that you see in this first one here. Okay, so we want to avoid something like this. This is what we want to go after. We want to avoid something like this, and we want to go after this. Okay, so let me do kind of like an overall comparison. So, let's see. Like if I don't really lift my pen too well, you can just, I don't know why I'm writing the word about. It's just the first word that came up in my head. It's really hard for me to not lift. I get so used to lifting. Okay, so let's try to write this, but we'll lift after each stroke. Oh boy, I'm nearing my 5-minute mark already. So if you are loving my after bedtime series, which is just 5-minute clips after my kiddos go to bed, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe so that you can see new posts of mine, and I will see you guys next time. So remember, be sure to lift that pen, so that you can really get those strokes to breathe And thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.